Hello everyone, this is Melissa from stampwithmelissa.com here, and today I want to share a quick video with you on how to use Stampin' Up Stampin Blends markers to color an image. So I've got the Snailed It stamp set here, and then I've also got this card. This card I shared on my blog a few weeks ago, and I love it so much that I wanted to make another one that's a little bit different, and so it's going to be the inspiration for today's card, and I'm going to share with you how to blend, but we're actually going to use this snail image with the presents today and make a cute little happy birthday card. So I've already gone ahead and cut everything out that I'll need here. So I'm using Balmy Blue, and so I've got my Balmy Blue card base, another layer of it, and then I've got a Night of Navy label here, and that was die cut using this label, and then I embossed it with the painted texture embossing folder. And then I've also got this scrap piece of white, so let's jump on in. So when you blend, you want to use your Memento Tuxedo Black ink pad, and that's because this will help the alcoholic markers not to bleed out of the line. So I'm just inking up my snail here, and then this is just a scrap piece of basic white, so I'm just gonna stamp it down like so. Close up my ink pad and move this out of the way. And then I've got my blends markers here. And I'm going for a pretty blue here because I'm participating in a blog hop today, and our colors are Balmy Blue, Misty Moonlight, and Night of Navy. So I'm gonna zoom in here and kind of show you how to blend. So for the body of the snail, I wanna use my Balmy Blue. And so I'm using the brush tip end, and this is the dark. So I'll show you here, that's the dark Balmy Blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just color in a little bit of the area that would be shadowed on the snail. So no matter what stamp set you're using or what image you're using, you just kind of want to look and see like what would probably like be more shadowed. So if you want to imagine a light coming from a certain direction, you can do it like that. So, and it does not have to be perfect because these are blends markers, and so it'll blend in pretty well. So now that I've got the dark down, I'm gonna bring in the light, and I'm just gonna color over here, and I'm starting with this line where the dark was because I want my light marker to kind of pull out some of that dark, just so it blends a little bit nicer here. I'll be careful right here. There we go. All right, so just getting this guy colored in. And I think this will be a really cute snail. So there you can see that the body is done in the Balmy Blue, and you can kind of see how it progresses there with the darker on this side and then moving out to the light. So now I'm going to use my dark Misty Moonlight, and I'm going to use, or color in the present here. So here we go. All right, now I've got the light Misty Moonlight, and I'm going to again color in the rest of this present. All right, last up is the cute shell, and so I'm going to kind of go around the spiral here, and then I'm also going to go ahead and color in these little striped areas with the dark. So here we go for that. All right, now I'll bring in the light and color in the rest. So you can really have a lot of fun with blending. And you'll notice that you kind of get just really pretty colors when you use both the dark and the light. So there we go. Isn't that such a cute snail? So I'm gonna move my blends markers to the side, and then we're gonna finish up this card. All right, the first step is going to be to die cut this snail out, and then also to die cut the happy birthday here with the playful alphabet dies and the foam adhesive sheets. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so now that I've got these all die cut, I'm gonna go ahead and move these to the side, and I've got my layer of Balmy Blue here, and I've got my Misty Moonlight ink pad. I'm gonna open that up and bring in that snail stamp again, and I'm gonna go ahead and sporadically stamp the snail around like I did with the sample card. So here we go. And then I've got this gorgeous ribbon, which is from the Flowers for Every Season ribbon pack. And I'm gonna go ahead and tie a knot to match that one. Okay, now that this knot has been tied, I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my seal adhesive and run some adhesive on the back here and stick it down centered on the card front. Oh, I love this already. It's so cute. All right. Next up, I'm going to bring in some dimensionals. I'm running low on them here, and I'm gonna put some dimensionals. So let's see here. I think I want it to be more upwards like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put dimensionals just on these edges, the top and bottom edges. I don't want to put them in the middle because I don't want it to sit on the ribbon and then bulge out. All right, so now that that's on there, I'm gonna put some dimensionals on the back of my snail. And then I'm going to stick him onto this rectangle. Oh, so cute. And now I've got my HBD here, and I'm gonna go ahead and peel these off and stick them down here. All right, so there's my completed card there, and here's the first sample. I think it turned out so cute, just like this first one. So if you liked this video and you like to learn how to use your blend markers, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That will let me know that you'd like to see more videos like this. And then you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. That way you'll be the first to see it. Down in the description box below, you'll find links to the blog hop that has pictures of this card, as well as the link to this blog hop, or this blog post with the pictures of this card if you'd like to see that as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye!